fine run here in round one of No Box Eliminator. Throughout the day, racers have been figuring out exactly what their cars are potentially capable of running on a quarter mile. They'll now apply dial-ins on their vehicles. They cannot go faster than the dial-in. Idea is to run as close to that target as possible. We're exceeding that number. The one closest to it will win and move on to round two. That's called bracket racing, and that's what we're doing here right now. We have Garrett Butler in the Insanity Chevy truck. Gonna start things off right now in the Chuck Power Sports lane. All right, still waking up. That was actually a test run.